South Florida Home Team in our video series called Serv-ology. Hey, this month I decided I would start doing videos for you for first-time home buyers, sort of like a first-time home buyer boot camp. Have you been thinking about buying a home this year? This is really a great month to start. In South Florida, our market is really strong May, June, and July. People start thinking about putting their house on the market, and it usually goes on the market the beginning of April. And so February is a good time to start the process. So look, if you're really interested about buying a home, please stay with me, stay to the end. I've put a whole series together, and every couple of days I'll be doing a video and giving you tips that I think could be very helpful. This is what we do for our clients to make sure it's always a success, that they're always happy, that they know exactly what to expect. Joel and I have been doing this a very long time, so we try to predict if there's going to be some hiccups along the way. There usually is. I mean, it doesn't matter how long we've been doing it and how smooth things seem to be. Something can always, get you in the end. So stay tuned and get your cup of coffee or have your favorite glass of wine, and let's get started. Okay, so I wrote myself some notes because I never want to forget something, and after I do a video, when I talk, and you'll know I talk a lot, I'll go, oh, I forgot something, and I wanted to include it. So I just wrote myself some notes that I want to let you know. When we first meet, we'll either meet over a cup of coffee, you come to my office, or we'll meet somewhere where it's comfortable, and we'll go over the home buying process so that you know exactly what to expect. I'm hoping these videos will be helpful as well, but for sure when we sit down, we'll go over really what's important to you. How many bedrooms do you want? You must have. Do you need to be in a certain school district? Do you need a garage or a swimming pool or a big yard, no yard, 1 story, 2 story? For us to get together, that's when it's really important, when we get together and you really sit and tell me what's very important to you. Getting pre-approved, okay? See, I would have gone right past that, I think. So important. You've got to get pre-approved. I'd hate for us to go out looking at a house that's whatever, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, thinking you could make the payments, and then you realize, oh my gosh, I'm $50,000 short of what I can really spend. So it's very important to get pre-approved. We do have bankers we can recommend, and we do have mortgage brokers. So depending on which way you want to go, or maybe your credit union, there's so many options. And for first-time home buyers, there's a lot of options for you. And our job is to help you, guide you at least in the right direction so that you save money on your mortgage payment every month. We'll go over the questionnaire, which I talked about. This will be a good time. You can ask me all the questions you want. I'm not going to pretend I have all the answers. I don't, but I know a lot of them. I've been doing this for 20 years. Joel's been in the business for 20 years, so we have a real good idea. And it's usually the same questions over and over again. So we're here to answer your questions for you. And there's some of the other questions that I forget to ask people, but it's really important to know and to have a backup plan. Do you have an emergency fund? Sometimes things happen in life, and it's always good to know that you have an emergency fund. Do you know what your credit score is? How long do you think you're going to live in the house? Do you think you're going to live there for the rest of your life, for a few years until you start making more money maybe, and then you want to upgrade? Or do you think you're only going to live here a couple of years and then you're going to get transferred? There's so many things that we'll discuss when we do meet. In the meantime, log on, get the ebook. I put a little book together with some really helpful, I think, helpful tips for you for your first time home buying process. Of course, you can always call myself or Joel. Our number is 786-344-8004. I really appreciate you watching this video, and more to come. So don't forget, call the All Florida Home Team. We hope to hear from you soon. Bye. Until the next time, we'll see you soon. Have a great day.